Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
So since the pandemic, the popularity of colouring books has absolutely exploded. They're very therapeutic to fill in and have been popular for all ages. Now, what we've got for you here today is a brand new collection created by our team from scratch of 40 colouring books. Now, you not only get the colouring books, you get the covers as well. You also get free training to show you how these are completely editable in Canva. And we're going to give you PLR rights so that you can sell them and keep every single penny you make. Now, what makes this different from other offers that you might see is that this has real tangible value. You're actually buying an asset. You're buying 40 PLR colouring books that you can do what you like with because you've got PLR rights. These colouring books can be sold and you keep every single penny you make. You can put your name to them, you can edit them, you can bundle them up and package them. There are so many ways that you can make money with these. You can sell these colouring books on sites like Amazon, Etsy, Fiverr. In fact, you can even sell the resale rights to them. So there's huge potential here to make a lot of money very, very quickly. Now, when it comes to making money online, one of the easiest ways to do that is to become a vendor. But of course, that means that you've got to create your own products. And that's why this is such a fantastic thing for you, because we've done all the hard work for you. We've had our team create these colouring books for you, so they're ready to go. Now, I said you can edit them if you want, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. They're literally ready to go. So as soon as you click add to cart below and you go and get your hands on these, you can start selling them and cashing in. The beauty of PLR is that you keep every single penny you make. It's like having your own product, but it's like having your own product done for you. So this is a done for you solution of 40 PLR colouring books ready to go with their covers. Now, just a few years ago, I was in a financial hole that I had to climb out of. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to turn. I had no money and no income, but I actually went full time into making money online. And my first project was one piece of PLR. I paid $5 for that one piece of PLR and I spun that into $8,000. I then created a course to show people how I did that. That course was called Pimper, and I'm giving you that free here today when you pick up these colouring books. Now, what I would say to you is get in on this as soon as you can. The price at the moment is the lowest it's ever going to be. This is a special launch price, and you're just going to pay a few dollars to get your hands on all 40 with PLR rights. So if you'd like to finally start making money online and get yourself a real tangible asset, then make this small investment right now and let's make some money. Go ahead, click on the add to cart button below this video and we'll see you on the inside. All the best.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.